Data scientists, listen up. Let's talk about AI tools that will level up your game. First up, we've got machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. They'll help you build powerful models with ease. Next, there's Jupyter Notebook, your trusty sidekick for coding and visualizing data. And don't forget about data cleaning and pre-processing. Tools like Pandas and NumPy will save you time and headaches. Lastly, we've got AutoML platforms like H2O.ai and DataRobot. They'll automate the model selection process, making your life a breeze. So, data scientists, embrace these AI tools and conquer the world of data. 10 AI tools every data scientist should know. 1. ChatGPT, invaluable resources for data professionals. 2. Google Gemini, a chatbot integrate with Google. 3. GitHub Copilot is very useful for Python programmers. 4. Microsoft Bing AI is a versatile tool, can do all. 5. Hugging Face stands as an open source ecosystem. 6. Code Interpreter, OpenAI's experimental ChatGPT model. 7. Ellie AI, make data-driven decisions with confidence. 8. Probe AI, a copilot for data analysts. 9. MonkeyLearn, simple sentiment analysis. 10. Dateku, an AI and machine learning platform. Subscribe to our free Big Data News weekly newsletter for getting insights on big data, data science, AI, machine learning, AI news, AI tools, AI updates, tech,